Good morning. So we woke up this morning and our trampoline has completely disappeared. It was sitting right here. But last night there was a huge storm and the wind carried it away. We looked all over the place and we found it all the way over here. Thank God, because we just bought it a month ago. As you can see, there's a huge tree right here. And somehow the wind carried it up over the tree and dropped it over here. It's a little messed up, but it's still here. But that's how strong the wind was. It's ridiculous. It's smashed up. It's gonna need some work, but I'm just glad it's still here. It looks like it got caught on this wire. And that's really what caught it, I'm guessing. But, I mean, that's crazy. Look how tall these trees are. And it just lifted it up right over them and dropped it over here. Yeah, it tore it up, baby. I mean, look at that. That's crazy.
Take all them off.
We just bought this. I mean, it's so sad. I'm just glad it didn't end up in the highway because we have a highway right next to our house. All the way over these trees. Just carried it. It's crazy.